Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. Beat data encryptions error 65000 in Windows 11. So guys, how to fix? And Windows 12, Windows 10 almost same. You can follow all method. So first step is click to start button and go to setting. Then update and check for update. So guys, if you have any KB series, any KB update pending, so firstly download and install. Okay, so all download then install. Okay, minimize it. Next guys, Windows R, type gpedit .msc, then enter. Full screen. So guys, first computer management, computer configurations, administrator template, Windows component, BitLocker, driving options, extract, then operation system driver. So guys, enforce drive encrypted typed operations to double click and click to policy setting and select not configure and then OK and apply. Then close it. Next method, repair disk health. So guys, again click to start button, then type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Then yes. Then guys, type chk dsk space slash f space slash r again space slash x and then hit enter. Then guys, give to permissions to y for yes and then again enter. Okay, do not restart because when you restart, so properly remove and some method is pending. So complete these videos, follow all the method then restart. Okay, but when you restart, some repair your C drive and Windows component, Windows file. So don't worry, the system will restart within a 5 to 10 minutes. Next guys, clean the disk. So click to start button, type disk cleaner. Disk cleaner. So only check download program and temporary internet and scroll down only for template and then guys clean. Okay, and delete file. Next guys, Windows R, delete temp file, type percentage temp and again hit percentage, then guys enter. Wait for a few minutes because now this is open the template files too. We have to delete all the temporary file. So guys, select all and shift delete. Don't worry, this is not your data, this is temporary files and select continue. If some file is not deleting, so do not this all and click to skip. Again checked and click to skip. Okay, then close. Then guys, next method. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you a link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.